Hello everyone and welcome to the 5th day of the 7-day series where I'm trying to make the best Garo edit. Now I have a problem. I think I'm already done. I didn't expect to finish this early, so I guess what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some keyframes. Wait, it's keyframes, right? Yeah, it's keyframes, good. And yeah, I'll add some extra part there, like a surprise. But yeah, I guess this Friday I'm gonna publish 3 videos. I'm gonna publish, the edit itself as a short, as a long video, and the last episode of the series where I'm gonna talk about the edit. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I think I'm gonna put some keyframes over here because there isn't any flicker shot here. So I'm gonna put this actually out over here, and I'm gonna add keyframes over here and another keyframe over here which will bring it here. When it gets back to normal, we'll put another keyframe, and here where it actually gets normal, it's gonna get to the normal position. So let's see how does it look. Alright, I found a good idea. In here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put here... Wait, is there animation that could do it for me, actually? That'd be better. Yes, rotate in, great. Now I want that to be like, 4 milliseconds. And as it finishes, it's gonna get bigger. I'm gonna put another keyframe here. And in this keyframe, it's gonna jump up and jump back down. Alright, so let's see. You can't even notice it. You can't notice it how short this thing is. Alright, I know. Here on the second beat. Yes, on this beat. There's gonna be here this thing, but it's gonna be short. It's gonna be like... Never mind, if it's too short, can't see it. Alright, so here I'll put a keyframe right at the start. Wait, actually, hold on, not yet. I want this to be as close as possible. Now keyframe, and then there will be a keyframe here. Alright, so right now, which I think is gonna be most likely one of the last things I do, because there's really not much I can do extra, is gonna be giving this some cool animation. So it's gonna rotate in at 4 seconds. Then we'll add a combo. Alright, so it looks like I have everything I need, and I'm not gonna spoil, how it looks right now for you. So I guess I will see you on Friday when I will post all of these videos, because it seems like I'm done. I didn't expect to finish so early. Wow. Yeah, if you want more CapCut tutorials, then make sure to comment down below, because this was absolute pain. You have no idea how it feels making a video where you edit and then have to edit the video where you edit. 7 days in a row. Like, I'm kinda happy I finished early, cause this is so hard. But if you comment down below and subscribe, then of course I'll do it. So hopefully you enjoyed this series, and see you on Friday.